Hi, welcome to SRG Sports Official, the YouTube channel of former India cricketer Arundhati Ghosh. Today with us, we have got a distinguished guest who needs no introduction. And very honestly, if I try to introduce him, I would run short of adjectives and I will fall very much short of words. In a one-liner, I can say he is the Sir Alex Ferguson of Indian domestic cricket. He's none other than Chandrakant Pandit. Welcome to the show, Chandu.
Thank you very much, Kodu.
I would like to...
Kodu, let me tell you something. First, before you start, right? I think thank you very much for your kind words. Thank you very much for having invited me on this show.
Pleasure.
And of course, I would never like, मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ कि मैं किसी के साथ compare करूँ. I mean, that is so nice of you to give me that, the respect. But I think the person who has achieved so many victories, I would not like to be one of his.
You are being too modest, Chandu. Okay. So, Chandu, I know that you started your cricket young और मुझे पता गया था कि आप 18-19 साल के थे तब आप मफरलाल के लिए खेलते थे टाइम शील एंड ऑल. So Mafarlal had late Ashok Mankad ji,
Yes.
who was supposed to be again a great of Indian cricket, domestic
Absolutely,
cricket.
yeah.
And we have heard that you have learned a lot of him. So can you relive that story in short, your days playing with Mafarlal under Ashok Kaka?
Well, Kudu, I'll tell you honestly, I mean, today what I am, I mean, all credit goes to Ramakant Achrekar Sarji and Ashok Mankad. I mean, late Ashok Mankad has not only taught me cricket, but, basically as a leadership qualities that he has, saw in me and probably, inculcated, and he wanted to develop me as well. I mean, Kaka was a person when I was lucky, in fact, I'll tell you, I was lucky to get Kaka, and thanks to Makarand Vaingankar, because Makarand Vaingankar, when myself was playing in a college days, I was in 11th standard. I mean, after playing that one good inning, maybe, against Pandurang Salgaonkar, and I was included in the Ranji Trophy probables, which was those days we always feel you are in a probables for a Mumbai team as good as you're playing for India. I mean, that was the mindset of every Mumbaikar has that. And Kaka was, initially when we were practicing, I mean, Mafatlal was practicing at CCI, and Makarand Vaingankar had taken me there. So, Kaka was little reluctant at that moment, and later on, I mean, when we included in the team and Makarand told him that, you try these youngsters, I mean, they would definitely have a good potential. I mean, that confidence that Makarand has given, and obviously Kaka has included us, and we were lucky to not only have Kaka, but Brijesh Patel, Partharthi Sharma, Dheeraj Parsana, Yogaraj Singh, all these top class cricketers, Uday Joshi. And that has changed the entire cricketing career, I would say. I mean, initially, of course, Ramakant Achrekar sir has brought me from the school to in cricket, and Ashok Mankad has continued with that. But he's been a great person, I would say. I mean, he knew the all tactics of not only cricket, but how to get best out of you and how to mold you. So that was the best thing. I'll give you an example of the first, time when he announced his captainship for me. We were traveling from the by train, and he just had a word with Brijesh Patel. We all were sitting together. He had a word with Brijesh Patel and saying, Bana, I'm getting tired now of leading the team from Mafatlal. Let's find somebody else. So Bana is Brijesh Patel. He said, well, Parth is there, Yogaraj is there. He said, no, I have something in my mind. Yeah. I don't know you people will agree to that or not, but I still feel. So he took my name, and I was stunned, to be honest. I thought sometime Kaka has that, joking nature, your, friendliness that, he tried to crack a jokes. And then Bana said, Ashok is too young. He just, started his playing cricket. He said, I don't know. Let him do it. We are there. And this is how I was appointed to. So that kind of confidence, I mean, that given to me through Mr. Ashok Mankar.
So he had an eye for talent for sure, that means.
I would say that. I mean, it was proved later because there was an incident when we were traveling to Chennai for a Buchi Babu, and I went out for the first game, and we were playing against Tamil Nadu, and Mr. Venkat Raghavan was the India captain. He came for a toss and he just asked me, "Yes, young man, what is happening? Ashok is not playing." I said, "No, Kaka is playing." Oh, and he was just a little surprised. And I asked him, "Sir, before toss, can you give me your team?" And I could see that he was so angry because young boy is asking me that I should give him the playing 11. And he was very upset about that. Eventually, he written on the a piece of paper. And we were coming back. He followed me. I just entered in the dressing room and he was there, and Kaka saw immediately, "Yes, Venkat." He said, "Who's this young boy? He's asking me a list of the playing 11. Kaka started laughing, "Kodu, you won't believe," and I didn't understand. I said, "My choice is good." Then you proved that choice is good. So this is how it happened. And like you said, of course, Ashok Mankar has been a great mentor throughout my career. And today, if I have to transfer those qualities which is been taken from Kaka, I think that has passed on in coaching as well. I mean, he knew how to get the best out of the player. He knew how to, tell off to the certain players. So many tactical, apart from the ground to off the field. He will never allow to a player to go out on his own and have dinner. If you are going out for a dinner, it's a team bonding. It is a rule that you need to take entire team. That I also follow now.
I saw it today on the field itself. तो चंदू, आपने अभी तक, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, आपके करियर में 2 रणजी टाइटल जीते एज अ प्लेयर के 3? 2 जीते एज अ प्लेयर. और मुझे एक किस्सा याद आता है, आप जब आफ्टर यू मूव्ड आउट ऑफ मुंबई, आपने जब 1999-2000 सीजन में एमपी के लिए आप खेल रहे थे और आप वो फाइनल्स हारे.
That was 99-2000.
99-2000.
Why you want to remind me that again?
There's a reason. There's a reason behind it. और आपको मैंने टीवी पे देखा आफ्टर यू वन, एमपी वन द चैंपियनशिप अंडर योर when you were the coach in 2022. I could see your face. It was like a poker face, but that happiness, that tears of joy, I could see and feel everything.
Yeah.
So, can you relate those 2 stories? How painful was that, and after what, almost 23 years to live that dream again, winning something for
Correct.
MP as a coach?
That was the moment, Kudu, because that little emotional that time was there. Because 1999 and 2000, we almost won the game. I mean, it's not that we lost the final, but we lost the final in last 7 overs, which was, we could see that trophies in our hand. But this is what we always say, legend says that, you can't predict the game. It can happen anything, and miracle can happen as well. So all those things, it was in my mind, and unfortunately we lost the game. And of course, there was another moment, and the emotional moment as well. Here we lost the finals, and now this is the opportunity for we won the game, and that is against Mumbai. So I have started my career. I have played my entire cricket in Mumbai Maidans, Mumbai Wankhede Stadium. I've been a captain of Mumbai. All those things, came at that moment in my mind, and what I'm doing. We won against Mumbai. So that was a little emotional thing. And the same time I thought about, yes, I mean, it was all pending for all these years to win the Ranji Trophy and to make a history for Madhya Pradesh. Because I was also part of Madhya Pradesh when I was playing, and especially after 92, 94. So I think that was an emotional moment for me, and that was one of the reasons that it was, one side you can say that was happiness was also there. It's a little bitterness as well. How you take it, that moment was a little difficult, but obviously was very happy to see that Madhya Pradesh making that history.
और आपने आपका क्रिकेट करियर के बाद आपने सोच लिया था कि मुझे अभी कोचिंग में जाना ही है? You made up your mind, you're very clear in your mind.
नहीं नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक दैट बहुत लोगों को इसके बारे में पता होगा.
Okay.
आई मीन दैट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन दैट यू आस्क मी. आई मीन आई नेवर थॉट अबाउट दैट आई कैन कम इन कोचिंग. I finished my cricket. I mean, I announced my retirement, especially after we lost the finals. You know, Madhya Pradesh lost the finals against Karnataka. Then after 1 year, Madhavra Sindhya ji, you know, he was there. He was president of BCCI, and of course, he was looking after Madhya Pradesh as well. He insisted me to come back because the team, you know, was not doing well. तो उसके बाद, of course, I played one more year. And then came back in Mumbai. I think I was in managing committee. It's today's you call it Apex Council. And उसमें जब होने के बाद ऐसा क्वेश्चन आया था कि बम्बई के लिए कोचिंग कौन करेंगे. संजय मांजरेकर, राजू कुलकर्णी इंसिस्टेड मी. उन्होंने ये कहा कि नहीं चंदू, यू हैव टू टेक ए यंग बॉयज़ अंडर 19 बिकॉज थोड़ा सा मैदान क्रिकेट का जो ये है स्मार्टनेस, स्ट्रीट स्मार्टनेस.
और आपने अंडर 19 ट्रॉफी भी जीती मुंबई के लिए.
दैट वाज यस,
दैट नॉट रॉन्ग, महाराष्ट्र के लिए भी जूनियर में अंडर 19 जीती, राइट.
सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड दे इंसिस्टेड एंड दैट वाज वन ऑफ द रीजन. बट बिफोर दैट, यू नो, मे बी एक 4-5 महीने पहले, you know, दादर पारसी जिमखाना at Matunga.
Dadar Parsi Zoroastrian.
Zoroastrian, sorry.
Yes.
Zoroastrian.
Jopri as we call it.
Yeah, we call it. We can't say this. Mangesh Bhalekar would not be happy.
It's with love.
So Mangesh, no, Mangesh, he's been a good friend of mine from the college day, and he always supported us, both of us, for cricket. And he insisted, यार तुम्हारा क्रिकेट खत्म हो गया तो थोड़ा सा कुछ BMC के बच्चों के लिए मैं नेट लगाता हूँ, तो why don't you come and help them? इस तरह से हमारा मतलब, मैं बोला कि या वाई नॉट ऐसा, बट नेवर हैड दैट इंटेंशन ऑफ कोचिंग. सो दिस इज हाउ आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम देयर. बट दैट गिवन दैट कॉन्फिडेंस इन ऑल्सो बैक ऑफ माई माइंड व्हेन आई प्लेड फॉर मध्य प्रदेश. सो आई वॉज गिवन अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ कैप्टनशिप एंड अ कोच, which I never realized.
So you
what
were like
it
a
is.
captain and mentor to the team.
Mentor to the team. So it helped me, that experience, and this is how I entered in the coaching. But that was Sanjay Manjrekar and Raju Kulkarni who, if they had not insisted, probably I would have not been.
So just before taking it further down, Chandu, I just want to know like they say that Mumbai dressing room is made up of all khadus, sab khadus players, dada log hai. And then when you played for India, when you entered the Indian dressing room for the first time, were you in awe or it was nothing different since you were playing with all the greats of Indian cricket? You were there with them in the Mumbai dressing room.
Absolutely, Godu. See, I mean, as a player who's sharing the dressing room with legend like Sunil Gavaskar, Sandeep Patil, Dilip Vengsarkar, Ashok Mankad, Eknath Solkar, I don't think that he will have any difficulty to share the dressing room in it, because those days we see करीबन हमारे पास 8 प्लेयर इंडिया के लिए खेलते थे. सो फ्रॉम द सेम ड्रेसिंग रूम, इट यू डोंट फाइंड दैट द ड्रेसिंग रूम इज डिफरेंट, बिकॉज 8 प्लेयर्स यू आर प्लेइंग विद इंडियन टीम. एंड यू नो द इन्वायरमेंट दैट यू हैव डेवलप, बिकॉज मुंबई का एक चीज़ है कि भाई आप ग्राउंड पे जाते हो तो जीतना ही है. I mean, that kind of attitude. So obviously when you say Khadus, it's a Khadus becomes that. So I remember the incident. There are couple of incidents. One incident when I was, of course, came in the Ranji Trophy team, 1978-79. I was 19. And ऐसे बैटिंग करने के टाइम somehow I don't know, ड्रेसिंग रूम में मैंने जस्ट एंट्री किया एंड आई थॉट कि सुनील को कुछ पूछेंगे कि बैटिंग के बारे में क्या है. I mean, India captain, obviously that was, you know, lucky to have them in dressing room. So जब पूछा तो उन्होंने मेरे को, he was reading a book. उन्होंने बुक पढ़ते पढ़ते मेरे पास ऐसा देखा, मेरे को कहा कि एक काम कर, तू बाहर मैच चल रही है ना, मैच देख लो, अपने आप सीख जाएगा. I mean, that was also Khadu's answer, basically. And as a young boy, I never expected that. But today, if you ask me, this advice has helped me throughout my career. I'm very thankful to Sunil for this, because today also when during my coaching, I'm telling all these boys, see, listen, and you must have seen I don't miss out a single ball.
So if I can just add something on that, I've seen you you were writing the whole day out today. For 90 overs you are writing. I was telling a friend of mine that he can write a thesis because he loves writing and he got very beautiful handwriting.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. But
So,
that
yeah.
quality has come
And there
from...
are you said two stories you had to this.
Correct. The second story about the same, during that season, we were playing a game against Bengal. I think that was the semi-final, when that was later in 83, 84. And Sunil Gavaskar was batting. Somehow, there was an appeal for leg before, and Barun Burman was the fast bowler. The umpire denied his decision. And, because little aggression from the fast bowler, he must have said something to Sunil, and probably Sunil came, during the drinks, and he came and he said, listen guys, we are going to bat 3 days. I don't want anybody throwing wickets. I mean, that kind of khadus this thing. So it was a what mindset. I mean, you get to learn from there, because अगर ये मतलब वो खुंदक होती है, वो खुंदक आती है, वो खुंदक इस तरह से not to give up wickets, not to give up your attitude, इस तरह का जो atmosphere है ना, वो बम्बई में मिलता है. Because 101 आपके पीछे है. I mean, if you remember, I mean, probably we always remember Dilip Vengsarkar batting that final match against Haryana.
Losing by 1 run.
Correct, losing by 1 run. So what a khadus attitude it is. So that has helped all of us, I mean not only me, but I can always say कि मैं बहुत lucky था कि उस ज़माने में इन लोगों के साथ खेलने का मौका मिला. Yes, we could not, I mean, I unfortunately could not give enough justice to play long years for India, but I think very lucky to spend time with them.
So now going ahead with your coaching, Chandu, you have coached Mumbai, you have won 2 Ranji titles for Mumbai, and then you went outside. Three titles, sorry, my apologies. And then you went outside, you have won for Vidarbha, you have won for Madhya Pradesh, you have won Irani Trophy for Vidarbha. If not wrong, back-to-back 2 Ranji titles and 2 this thing.
Yes.
So, and that is the reason I want to tell you that when I introduce you as Sir Alex Ferguson of Indian domestic cricket, I've played cricket, but I've followed English football a lot. So in EPL, what I've seen is, right from the very beginning, Alex Ferguson has got a team from nobody, and he has built champions, like you can name Ronaldo's and Beckham's and all these people. So that is why I felt that was a correct title for you.
Thank you.
So how difficult was it for you to motivate these youngsters who would be having talent for sure, but उन लोग में वो खड़ूस एटीट्यूड जो आपने बताया मुंबई क्रिकेट की नहीं थी, like when you won championship for Mumbai 3 from Mumbai stable, you keep on getting strong guys, but over there, so how difficult was that?
No, it's definitely difficult because see, they're not been habitual. मतलब आदत होती है ना जीतने की, ये जैसे आपने कहा कि बम्बई को तो आदत होती है, तो obviously you don't have to push them so much, you have to just guide them. But there you have to push them because you need to believe in yourself. So that is the first thing. तो जब I mean शुरुआत की हमने स्टार्टिंग किया जो whether you call it with मध्य प्रदेश, you call it with विदर्भा, I mean obviously I thought about कि they have enough talent, but the belief is not there. So I had to share those stories of Mumbai, how Mumbai players been playing. I mean today if you see that we are Madhya Pradesh is in playing Maidan cricket, and today we are playing at Parsi Gymkhana as well. So of course thanks to you.
My pleasure.
But I think then individually I had to segregate them and to find that what are the qualities that everybody possesses, and that to motivate. And then slowly, giving them, putting that information to them, ki how the game can be won. I mean, it is not today. It's not question of only आपके पास कोई बड़े players होने चाहिए, because today is a different what you call generation. पहले ज़माने में ये होता था कि भाई आपके पास इतने बड़े players हैं, तो उसके बाद आपको जीतने का मौका बहुत कम है. तो अभी कैसे ऐसा all if you see that equal teams if you can look around in the country, so probably that has clicked them, and they started believing the way we started preparation. And मेरी थोड़ी सी एक आदत होती है करूँ कि हर मतलब प्लेयर के बारे में बहुत जानना चाहता हूँ. जो मे बी आई मीन मे नॉट बी आस्किंग हिम एवरी टाइम, बट probably I can get to his friend, I can get to his parents.
So you do a lot of research.
Lot of research, and to know, I get to know that what kind of mental blockage is
Mindset,
there,
yes,
mindset
yes.
is there, all sort of things. So it was definitely initially they found it very tough, me, because practicing at 1 o'clock, practicing at early morning 6 o'clock, all sort of things. I got try to got them out of comfort. तो पहला मेरा वो प्रयास था कि कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलना है, बिकॉज आज बम्बई में अगर आपको वसई से आना है तो 2 घंटा तो यहाँ घूमना है, आना है। आज मैं इंदौर में अगर किसी को कहूँगा तो 10 मिनट में घर जाते हैं, 3 बार मेरे को मिलने आते हैं। सो वो कंफर्ट जोन थोड़ा सा निकलना चाहिए था। एंड ऑफ कोर्स वेरी थैंकफुल टू प्रशांत वैद्य एंड हमारे ये थे BCCI के प्रेसिडेंट
That's with Vidarbha you're talking about.
विदर्भा आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, Shashank Manohar.
Shashank Manohar.
So their backing, their support was wonderful. And the same time selection committee, because थोड़ा सा वहाँ मेरे को फ्री हैंड भी था कि जहाँ आपको मतलब कोई प्लेयर के बारे में आपको देखना है, किसी को इंक्लूड करना है, सो ऑल दोस राइट्स थोड़ा सा दिया था। एंड प्रशांत वैद्य वॉज वेरी काइंड बिकॉज ही वॉज लुकिंग आफ्टर क्रिकेट इम्प्रूवमेंट कमेटी एंड ही वॉज सपोर्टिव, वेरी सपोर्टिव. सो Shashank Manohar also that mentioned many times not to disturb him. So all sort of, see, कभी क्या होता है कि ये सब चीज़ों का जो आपको क्या बोलते हैं रिजल्ट आता है, तो उसके अंदर पीछे इट इज़ नॉट ओनली वन पर्सन, देयर हैज़ टू बी सो मेनी पीपल अराउंड टू सपोर्ट यू and accepting you, because that unless somebody has a different agenda then you probably not support. But that was thankful to them. Similarly happened with मध्य प्रदेश. So मध्य प्रदेश अगर आज मैं बात करूँगा तो लास्ट almost 5 years completed, 6 years ago. I think that that respect, that authority and everything is left on me to look after cricket. So from under 14 age group से senior men's तक, अब उसके बाद all selection committee I attend, and obviously that they all selection committee also respect so much. And बोलते हैं ना कि Mr. संजय जगदाले, he is the man who is the backbone of मध्य प्रदेश क्रिकेट. ऑल दीज ईयर्स उन्होंने जो ये किया है. फिर हम जाते हैं तो आई मीन अर्लियर डेज माधवराव सिंधिया जी थे, अब ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया उनके साथ. उनका विश्वास इतना है ना कि चंदू को कोई डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेगा. दिस इज सिंपल, वॉट एवर ही वॉन्ट्स ही विल गेट इट. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ बैकिंग आपको जब मिलता है, आई मीन अभी तक मुझे कभी उन्होंने ये क्वेश्चन नहीं किया है कि आपने इसको क्यों ड्रॉप किया, इसको क्यों लिया. सो आई मीन दैट काइंड ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल व्हेन यू गेट, obviously you get motivated to work.
Absolutely.
Because you can't have any other agenda, because you know, but that doesn't mean I'm taking any advantage of that. But Sanjay Jagdale, and luckily there was a what do you call secretary, Sanjeev Rao, who played cricket in Mumbai long time back. He was secretary. Now there was a lady secretary who was looking after women, the Siddhyani
So
Patni.
administrative support is also very
Very
important.
good. I mean,
The
that is why I'm
confidence and
taking
support.
correct. That is why Khodu. I mean, it's not me, it's them as well, because they were all together. The Siddhyani Patni, they're looking after women's cricket, and so much faith. I mean, sir, आपने इसको निकालना है निकाल दो. सर, आपको इसको लेना है ले लो. But
That is the trust and faith that I
that
have
is a
in you.
trust. So then, if you say that Rohit Pandit is a cricket CEO of cricket or administrator, sorry, and he has a full support. अभी आज emerging team को जाना है आपको, आप जाइए. The new secretary who has come, which I thought probably it will change, कुछ हो सकता है कि यार जो मैं चाहता हूँ वो हो नहीं सकेगा. But when the new committee has come, Mr. Sudhir Asnani, who was the umpire and in charge of BCCI umpiring, umpires committee, and he has now come and he said कि नहीं चंदू भाई आप जो बोलोगे. So क्या होता है ना कि you automatically get that motivation, you automatically feel that how much these people are trusting you. So obviously you need to give a more than what is expected time and what not you can do. So that was the basic.
So just two, three more questions. I feel अब रणजी ट्रॉफी जीते, ईरानी ट्रॉफी जीते, ये सब जीते और मेरे हिसाब से the icing on the cake was you had a 2-year stint as a coach with KKR in the IPL, and in the very first year you won the IPL championship. So my question would be, how different, I don't think anything is difficult for you, but how different is coaching a Ranji Trophy state team with an IPL team? Because IPL, what I see is there are a lot of stars, and more than that, you're coaching international stars. At the same time, you can only make 4 play in the 11. So how difficult was that? And the period is short.
More than Khodu, it is not difficult, it is a different.
Different, yeah.
Difference was, I'll tell you, because the domestic players, they coming from the different background, they're trying to reach to the higher level. Now here what you look at it, the international players already reached that level. So it is probably to understand them and guide them. I mean, it's not that you have to literally coach them. It's a management, basically. At this level, it's a management, how you are going to handle them. There are certain things. I mean, the people used to always tell me before I joined KKR, I said, Russell would be tough, player for you to handle it. I mean, that was something in my mind, and I was wondering how I'm going to handle him. But you won't believe, Khudu, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि he was the easiest player to handle. He was so soft spoken, though he looked so huge, he looked so aggressive when he's batting. So it was not very tough. It was different, but it was much easier also, because that.
Was it satisfying?
Yes, of course it was satisfying, because you're working with the international players, and this was a great experience. And I must thank Mr. Shah Rukh Khan for giving that opportunity to me, and CEO Mr. Venki Mysore, Juhi Chawla madam, and Jay Mehta. These are the owners. I mean, I don't think any one of them has questioned why this is happening. But they always been there to motivate each one of them. In fact, jokingly, they have motivated me as well. Sir, हंसने को तो सीखो अभी, ठीक है हार गए आज हम लोग. So this kind of, so having that atmosphere and environment. So I would say overall in my till today, hopefully that continue with the same thing. But overall, I have met beautiful people.
Since you have been so open in this thing, answering this question, Chandu, my question, if you don't want, you may not answer, because we do a lot of, we read a lot in the papers that team owners pressurize the coaches and captains and all. Were you ever pressurized by Shahrukh or Juhi or anyone?
Nobody. I'll tell you honestly, I mean, I don't have any other franchises experience.
Yeah.
But KKR was, entirely different, as I said. I never, in fact, I always seen him sitting in front of us during the meeting. But never asked any question. So I'll tell you, I'm very thankful to them. This was a great experience. I also heard, मैं बहुत बार सुना है कि बाकी के franchise में ये होता है. But I never felt that.
Fantastic.
And very openly I can say this. And I was very happy about that.
Fantastic. I've just got 2 more questions, Chandu. I would start with is that we all have a dream, whether me, you, of course, you played for India. That was great. Do you still have that fire? You surely have that fire, but do you still have that dream to coach India one day?
Yeah, of course I always, who will say no? That is important. But will that the age bar will permit you? That is another question. But I'm sure that whatever the energy and with God willing that I have, I would like to continue my coaching. It does not matter to me which team I am doing it. I mean, I would also love to do it under 14 team.
But India.
And India as well. So, of course, but that is what I said. I don't know what is the age bar and the limitations of the age. But of course, what privilege you get when you are
I
going
sincerely hope and pray you get it, because we all will be proud. We all Mumbaikars will be proud, and you very much deserve.
I mean, I get the satisfaction of serving not only particular states, but it is overall to guide those players to play for India. So it's my duty to serve the game for Indian cricket.
So Chandu, I'll tell you honestly, you have been so humble and so full of gratitude. You have practically thanked everyone who has taken you along in their path, or have crossed your path, and I wish you all the success in life and good health. So we are signing off from SRG channel. Kindly like and subscribe. Chandu, once again, it was a pleasure.
thank you.
Thank you
I
so
must
very
thank you
much.
as well.
Thank you, Chandu.